announcing that my album is available now to pre-order or pre-save. Pre-order on Bandcamp and pre-save on, what's that other thing? Spotify. So here it is. There's the front cover as voted for by folks on Facebook, and then the design people in Atomic Disc did a great job on the design, and the photos were taken by Dave Keegan in Dublin. Well, Dave's from Dublin, but we went down to Wicklow to take the photos in Glendalough. And there is the track listing. We have a load of different ones. I don't know if that's if you can read that there. So it's All Along the Wild Atlantic Way, co-written with Aoife Scott. And then we have Come Back Paddy Riley to Ballyjames Duff, which is the Percy French amazing song that Paddy Riley did and a load of other people. The Lakes Pontchartrain, which Paul Brady and Christy did brilliant jobs of, but I've been singing it for years and people like it, so I thought should be on the disc really. Then we have Go Lassie Go. There's a different version of it than you would hear me play live. I kind of went with the Whisperings idea and just kind of found a different key and made it a little more intimate for the album. And then we've Buachaill Éirne, which I've been singing for a couple of years now, and taught it online to some folks who were wanting to learn some songs in Irish a while back as well. So Buachaill Éirne is the one song that's fully Oscoilge on it. And then we have Danny Boy. So Danny Boy reeled me in. I was like, I wouldn't be singing Danny Boy, but it's just undeniable. That's what I was trying to do, was like get undeniably good songs, and it's just like I can't deny it. You know, I kind of thought I'm too cool for Danny Boy, but no, it just reels you in. Then I wrote a tune called On Marshal Saidura, which is the Soldiers March, which is kind of Johnny going off the war, happy out, he thinks he's great, and then Shularoon. It contrasts with Shularoon. That's the idea anyway, where his girl is left selling her flax and her spinning wheel and everything to fund Johnny's going off the war. Anyway, so then we have but that song I kind of felt I heard it in the International Bar, and it's on a video there on YouTube where I'm singing The Lakes Pontchartrain actually, and after. I think it's a brother and sister. I forget their names. Apologies. But they were singing Shularoon together in the International Bar, and it was amazing. And it always stuck with me as an interesting song. And didn't know the history of it, that it came over here too. People were singing it for the wars, the Civil War over here. So it felt like it was time to bring all of that together and have a version of it for myself. Then The Foggy Dew is the next one. And Oh My Love is Like a Red, Red Rose, which is a Robert Burns poem. And I put that to music years ago. And recently, with gigs and stuff, it just came back out again. Cliff and Claudia in the AOH were really looking for it, so I was happy to do that. And then we have Caledonia, which people are asking for all the time as well. Dougie McLean wrote it. Dolores Kane just got honoured again for her lifetime's work in folk music, so that's amazing, and she made that popular in Ireland. So that's not the reason I chose it. It was on the album before that. But so Red is the Rose is also there. We had Mickey on the live streams was asking for it all the time, and then I it's about the Boyne, and seemingly Louth people have a special place in their hearts for it, so that's for any Louth people out there. And then The Parting Glass, it wouldn't go anywhere else on the album. I was trying to fit it in other places, but it really did want to be the last of all the songs on the album. Anyway, there we go. So that is the album, and it's available digitally and CD wise. For folks in Ireland, apologies. The postage from America to anywhere else is absurd. So you'll see that at checkout. Decide whether you want it or not, or we can figure something else out. I might be able to send a bunch to Ireland and get them out some other way. But anyway, so anyone else in America, I'll see you at some of the festivals and you can buy one in person. Okay, so technically I'm supposed to do The Foggy Dew because that's the single that's out at the moment. But I just feel like I'm baiting everyone over the head with the one song all the time at the moment. And so let's do a different song. This is one of the songs you can get if you pre-order the album now on Bandcamp. It's called Buachaill on Éirne, which is the boy from the Éirne region in Ireland. And in this song, he's trying to woo a girl. And he seems to be doing all right at the beginning, but then he starts getting a bit bitter towards her halfway through, and he's just not doing very well. And it looks like there's a man, an older man in the picture who's got more money, and so he's fighting a winning battle. So that's why we're a little sad for the Buachaill on Éirne. I don't think he gets the Colleen in the end, but it's a lovely melody, lovely song. Buachaill on Éirne meis freaking ein Colleen de so. The earring bow spray lay tongue ain't sever below. Slum Cork go away day wha heave a gladness tear on. Is mar an yar me basis men tire honde. Rach me moire chayin no lana fan quail. Gan chutje gan pod gan grani brach bello. Ach dil dur na grey mar de lapos mochion. Zoro jacht man degen stuik vechen arum. Buachaill look bow malone naar klachten is Ach ik gimmert zijn gons le honk bra that's a fallium. Ma Buachaill me bestar ni mooi deger Buachaill me muchia. Is ni mol de folk non road daar Buachaill on Éirne meis freaking ein Colleen de so. The earring bow spray lay tongue ain't sever below. Slum Cork go lady wha heave a gladness tear on. Is mar an yar me basi smain tire honne. Honde we are, honde we are. Right, there you have it.